I caught him at the tail end. He went pee in there. Right now he's trying to cover it up. So he doesn't know what litter is. Look at him. Oh. He's ready to go again. Oh, now he's taking a shit. But at least he's doing the litter. Oh, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. But I can't yell at him. I took both of them out to clean them, so. That's a good boy, but I'll get it out, baby. That's a good boy. Go. Boy, you really had to go. Oh, my. That's nothing compared to where he went pee earlier today, which was in the dog bowl. He filled that fucker up, and he probably filled it up by about, like, all that with the dog, well, about a quarter of an inch from the bottom. That's why I cleaned it out. So, cat shits in odd places.